It's July 5th, and this evening's video segment I would call Hazards, Perspective, and Comment. And what I'd like to talk about tonight is a controversial athlete, and his name, and you're probably familiar, Colin Kaepernick, was in the news again this past week, and he was pissing on the flag and having an issue with Nike and putting the flag on a pair of their sneakers. My first question is, when did Colin Kaepernick become the CEO of Nike? And we see once again Nike embracing controversial statements and a directive from Colin Kaepernick. But what I'd like us to focus on is there seems to be a trend taking place here. And whenever it comes to a holiday that would be celebrating our nation and the greatness and what we've done in accomplishments, there's a group that seems to spring up that has an issue, that wants to find fault. And it seems to be happening more and more. Anything that promotes our nation and the goodness of our nation is questioned. So I'd like to have us focus a bit on some of the characters along with Colin Kaepernick. You have people that are hate America groups and some of their spokespeople, some in our Congress, like Cortez or Talib or Omar, to name a few, the hate America crowd. And anytime they can besmirch our nation, they're right there to spew out that America hatred. But you know, folks and fellow patriots, I have some hope here. If you look back at the 4th of July and you look at Twitter, it was on fire with patriotic people displaying flags and really enjoying themselves, uplifting America. We were one, and there is unity in this country. And we must remember that we outnumber those that hate America. And there are many in the media right now that don't want us to realize that. But those that hate America, are in the minority, and we must remember that. We have a lot to be optimistic about, and we must let our voices be heard. And if it comes to putting out a flag or just letting others know that we love America, we must do so, because our voices are being silenced, and the attempt to silence patriotic people is afoot, and we must be heard, and we must speak out and celebrate this great nation. So take heart. What we saw in the celebrity and the celebration that took place, we can be encouraged. So take heart, fellow patriots. We have a lot to be thankful for, and that was on display yesterday. And that's my perspective and comment for today.